Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Bloom Enchantix. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to unlock this incredible fairy form. Achieving Enchantix requires dedication and completing specific magical tasks within the game. Prepare to embark on an exciting journey, facing challenges that will test your skills and determination. Let's dive into the magical process together. To begin your quest for Bloom's Enchantix, you'll first need to initiate the main mission, often found as the first chapter in your quest log. Your initial task involves a Parker challenge to find a key. This key is crucial for unlocking the next area, typically a grand library, where more secrets await your discovery. Once inside the library, search for a unique, glowing book that will activate a mystical portal. Step through this portal to be transported to a new, often fiery, dimension. Here, you must navigate a challenging Parker course and a tricky maze. Successfully finding the hidden key within this maze is vital for progressing. Your final challenge involves confronting a formidable antagonist in an epic battle. For the best chance of success, try to stay close to your opponent, perhaps in the center of the arena, to attack effectively. Once victorious, a shimmering fairy dust will appear. Simply touch this dust, and you will finally achieve Bloom's magnificent Enchantix transformation, completing your magical journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.